Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways to make money online as a work-from-home freelancer and also as a YouTuber. I have two different YouTube channels that both earn me an income each month, and I want to teach you guys how you can do the same. Today we're going to talk about how you can use the copy and paste method using ChatGPT and the free version of Canva to create shorts in minutes. Today we're going to talk about how you can create shorts and videos related to pets and in particular dogs. People love dogs and cats, and when they see cute little animals, they'll often just stop just to watch the entire video. So creating a bunch of different shorts talking about dogs, showing videos of dogs, and including dog facts can get you a lot of views on YouTube and help build your channel. I'm also going to show you how you can monetize these shorts to make money even if you don't have a lot of subscribers. And we're going to show you examples of extremely successful YouTube channels using this method. So let's get started. So first, let's look at some example channels that are using this method and making a lot of money. This channel is called Animal Wise. You can see they have over 500,000 subscribers and 856 videos. And if we look at their shorts, you can see they have a bunch of short different videos about golden retrievers, 5 dog breeds for beginners, 5 things cats hate about humans. They're using these clickbait sort of titles to get views. And all of their shorts have thousands of views. And if we look at their videos and click on popular, you can see they have millions and millions of views. And they're all using these clickbait sort of titles. Why does my cat sleep with me? 5 reasons you'll love to know. And if we watch any of these videos, it's literally just a voiceover with some pictures and videos of cats, all of which you can get on royalty-free websites for free. And I'm sure they're making so much money. And using socialblade.com and plugging in their channel information, you can see that they are making upwards to 80,000 euro per year. And I would estimate that this is even more than that based on how many views they're getting. And this is not including if they have any affiliate links in their videos, recommending any different animal products and getting a commission on a website like Amazon or share a sale, because there are many different ways to monetize videos. We have another channel called Dogs Wiz. It's basically the same thing. We can look at their shorts. They're talking about different breeds, top 10 best dog breeds for people who live alone, top 10 most expensive dog breeds in the world. We've got another one, Groomer OK. This is a groomer, and their business, I'm sure, is booming, because if we look at their most popular shorts, millions of views. But you don't have to even take your own videos. We can use Canva and use royalty-free footage to create these videos. If we look at Groomer OK, they are estimated to be making upwards to 24,000 euro per year. Again, I estimate this to be even higher because this does not take in account sponsorship deals, affiliate links, referral marketing, etc. So how can we create these videos? Where do you start? What keywords should you target? So first, log into YouTube Studio and then click on Analytics and then click on the Research tab. And here you can type in a search term. So for example, you can type in dog facts. And if you scroll down, you'll see a bunch of different popular keywords that people search for on YouTube. You can see the search volume on YouTube, if it's high, medium, and you can scroll to the bottom and click on these arrows to see even more keywords. You can type in any topic that you want, for example, dog health, and you'll see what people are searching for on YouTube. Now, another thing you can do is just go to youtube.com, and where you search for a video, just type in dog, and you're going to see all the different things that people are searching for. And if you keep typing, for example, dog facts, it's going to give you dog facts for kids, dog facts in English, dog facts you need to know. So it's giving you even more ideas and showing you what people are looking for when they're searching on YouTube for dogs. And then if you press enter, you can scroll down, and under shorts, you can see all the different popular shorts that target that specific keyword. We can also use ChatGPT to help us with keyword research. So I'm going to write an extensive list of popular long tail keywords about dogs and dog facts that will be engaging for people watching YouTube videos or YouTube shorts. Okay, so they've given us a bunch of different ideas about fun dog facts, about dog health and care, dog behavior, dog breeds. And so this is giving us a great start for the types of videos that we can create. So now we can say, I want to create shorts based on the first 10 ideas. I'm going to give it an example. So the most important thing to use ChatGPT correctly is to give it an example of what you want it to create. If we just say write a short script, it might just do anything crazy. We want to create something very specific, and we want to create a template so ChatGPT can create all of our shorts just like this template. So I have written, I want to create shorts based on the first 10 ideas. Each short will begin with a captivating headline or title and will give top 3 facts or top 3 ideas. Example. So we start with an intro. What are the 3 best dog breeds for families with kids? Slide 1. Labradors, known for loyalty and playfulness, are always up for adventure. Slide 2. Beagles. Slide 3. Golden Retrievers. And then the outro. What other breeds are family friendly? Like and subscribe for more dog facts. So I've done this first video because now ChatGPT knows I want it to be short and sweet. I wrote, follow this template for the remaining 10 dog breed video ideas. Intro, 3 slides, and outro. And that way it will be the same for every short that we create so we can produce these quickly. So now I've pressed enter and let's see what it comes up with. See? Awesome. This is exactly what I want. Look here. Ever heard of these rare dog breeds with one-of-a-kind traits? Hypoallergenic dog breeds for sensitive individuals. Allergic to dogs? Discover these hypoallergenic breeds. This is perfect. This is literally exactly what I want. If I hadn't done that template, I would have to individually go and try to fit it into this format. And now we have all of these that we can easily create 10 different shorts, and it's only going to take us a few minutes, under 5 minutes, to create each one. So we're going to go into Canva, and you do not need a pro account. You can do this with the free account of Canva. If you don't already have an account with Canva, you can sign up using my referral link, which I've linked you to in the description below or in the pinned comment. Then we're going to type in YouTube Shorts. So you can see there are over 330 different templates, and any of the ones that have this little crown icon are pro version, so we can use any of the ones that don't have the crown if you have the basic account. So the one we're going to use is free. It's the Black Minimalist Fitness Tips YouTube Shorts, but we're going to brand this so it's dog related, and we're going to create a template that we can use for all our shorts. So click Customize this template. So you can see this has opened up a video template with 4 different slides. And if we drag this little playhead here across or press play, you can see we've got a video, we've got some animated text, we have transitions. So we're just going to put in our own information, and it's so easy to do that all from this app. So the first thing we'll do is click on Photos, and you can search by photos. If you click here on this icon, you can search by free if you do not have the pro account, or you can search by pro. So let's type in dogs, and then you can choose any of these images. Let's say we'll go with this one here. I'm going to click and drag it on top of this image, which is where we will replace it. And if you want to reposition it, you can double click and you can go like this and just click and drag it so it fills the frame nicely. So now I'll click on the next slide and type in pause, for example, and click and drag the paw prints onto the background image. And basically I'm just creating a template that we can use for all of our dog facts videos. So you don't have to change the background image, we'll only change the main images. So once we've done that, now we're ready to change the text and add our main videos for each page. So we're going to go back to the intro slide, and we're going to go to ChatGPT and find our first script. So for our first video, we're going to do the hypoallergenic dog breed. So we can just copy the intro tagline, and we'll go back to our video, and then we're just going to add a title. So let's say dog allergies, and you can click and drag the text to adjust it. You can adjust the size so it's smaller. Then we'll paste the second part of the slide. Discover these 3 hypoallergenic breeds. Again, you can bold the text, change the font type if you want. Down here, they have a space if you wanted to add your own website, or you can just delete that. Click on the icon and click backspace or the delete key. Now we just want to change the video. So I'm going to click on Elements, then scroll down to Videos and click See All. I'm going to type in sneezing, and I'm going to click and drag this video of this guy sneezing, drag it onto the video, Again, double click so I can reposition it so he's sneezing right in the middle. I can even drag on the corners to enlarge in the video and reposition it. So when you press play to preview it, you'll see what it looks like, and it's probably going to be too long. With shorts, you want it to be short and sweet. So the first slide should only last as long as it takes the person to read it. In this case, we're not adding voiceovers, we're just going to add background music. So you should have it on long enough that people can read dog allergies, discover these 3 hypoallergenic breeds, but no longer than that. Click and drag on the end and we'll make it around 4 to 5 seconds. So now we'll go to our next slide. Once again, we'll copy our script from ChatGPT. The first dog is Poodle, so we'll put that. We'll paste the text, make any adjustments to the size. Then we're going to type in Poodle beside videos. And again, drag and drop the video of the poodle and adjust it so it fits the frame. And then you can adjust the length of the clip, probably no longer than 5 seconds. And repeat this for the remaining 2 slides before we do the outro slide together. And finally, we're going to do the outro slide. So you might want to ask your audience a question. You want to try to get some engagement. Let's ask a question like, can you think of other hypoallergenic dogs? Or are you allergic to dogs? You can also suggest that they like your video or subscribe to your channel. You can even click on elements and search for subscribe and add a little subscribe button. Now, this is not a clickable button, but it might motivate your viewers to subscribe to your channel. So we're going to add some background music, and all you have to do is click on audio under the elements section. We're just going to type in happy. Then very importantly, drag the playhead to the beginning of the video. And then when you double click on the song, it will add it to the start of the video and it will automatically trim it for you. So there it is. You can click on the 3 dots and click volume if you want to lower the volume or increase it. But basically that's it, and we're ready to export. So all you have to do is click share, and then the file type will be an MP4 video, and you can download the HD quality with the free account, which is great. Just click download. Also at the top here, you can rename it. So we're going to rename it Dog Facts Template. And now the hardest part is done. All you have to do to copy and paste this and use this template again and again with the other scripts that we created with ChatGPT is go to File, then click Make a Copy, and that will open it up in another window. And then from here, we already have our background images set. All we'd have to do is plug in new text and drag and drop new videos or images to match our next script. But we have everything set to go, and it should only take you 5 minutes or so to create each video after this because we already have the template created for us. So there are different ways you can make money with shorts. You can use affiliate links and promote different products. For example, you could do a short featuring a type of dog treat or a type of dog food or a dog toy, and then copy and paste an Amazon affiliate link or an affiliate link with something like share a sale. You can get ad revenue with YouTube Shorts. However, it's not as much as it is with normal videos. So the real benefit of using Shorts is to try to get more subscribers, try to get more viewers. Once a Shorts video starts to take off, you can have thousands and thousands of views, and that's just going to have more people viewing your channel, seeing what it's all about, and this increases the likelihood that they will subscribe to you. If you want to learn more about becoming a YouTuber, I've linked you to a playlist on how to become a YouTuber and other tutorials like this one, how to add voiceovers, and a whole bunch of other tutorials related to creating content for YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial.